I've personally tested this strategy multiple times and made some solid profits, so I'm excited to walk you through it step by step in real time. Before we start, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a money-making tutorial like this one. Now, let's get into it. I have already executed this trade a few times with impressive results, and today I'll show you exactly how to do it using TrustWallet. First, you'll need the TrustWallet app. Make sure it's funded with USDT BNB Smart Chain. I'm using 80 USDT for this demo, but you can use any amount you're comfortable with. You will also need a small amount of BNB Smart Chain to cover transaction fees. Now, if you haven't added BTR to your TrustWallet dashboard, here's how to do that. On your TrustWallet home screen, tap on this toggle icon at the right end of your screen. Make sure the Hide Assets button is turned off. Then tap Manage Crypto. In the search bar, type BTR. You'll see a few results come up. Select the BNB Smart Chain Network option, and then make sure you select this exact one selected in the video. Confirm the logo that it matches with this one shown. Tap it to add it to your dashboard. Done. Now you'll be able to see your BTR balance right from your home screen once we make our purchase. This is where it gets interesting, and this is the part you want to pay close attention to. Next, you will click on the added BTR token to check the price of BTR here on TrustWallet. As you can see, the price of BTR here on TrustWallet is $0.0233. So, TrustWallet is valuing one BTR token for $0.0233. To confirm that this is the exact value of one BTR token to USDT here on TrustWallet, I will head over to the swap tab to confirm the price of one BTR token to USDT here on TrustWallet. TrustWallet would allow you to confirm the swap price only if you have some USDT available in your wallet. So as you can see, the price of one BTR token on TrustWallet is worth approximately 0.024 USDT. Now let's head over to the BTR website. Go to your browser and type in btrvault.com and then enter. Now we are on their website. Here we can see that the price of one BTR token is 0.02025 USDT, which is considerably less than the price on TrustWallet. So we are going to be buying BTR here from their website at a lower price and then swap it on TrustWallet. $80 worth of BTR tokens at this price of $0.02025 per token, and I should be receiving about 3,950 BTR tokens. And you can perform this arbitrage with BNB, BTC, USDC, or USDT. So I'm going to go ahead and select the coin I want to pay with, which is USDT BEP20, and then enter the amount, which is 80. Then I'll click on Buy BTR, which will redirect me to TrustWallet, where I can proceed to complete the transaction. I select Confirm, and then I wait for the transaction to be processed. So if I head back to my dashboard, you can see that my USDT has been deducted. And now I'm just going to wait a little for my BTR tokens to reflect. It usually takes just a few seconds. Alright, splendid. As you can see, the BTR tokens have been credited and I received 3,950 BTR tokens, which is equivalent to about $90 here on TrustWallet. And for those wondering, the BTR tokens are sent using the same wallet address you used in buying the tokens because they share the same wallet address. Without wasting further time, let's head over to the swap tab and swap it. Select the swap button and then proceed to set up a BTR to USDT swap. Make sure BTR is above and USDT is beneath. Tap on BTR and drag the button to max to swap all your BTR tokens at once. Once the quote has been given, drag the slide to swap button to the end to approve the transaction. Now wait for the transaction to be processed. Alright, so the swap has been successfully submitted and completed. Therefore, I'm going to head back to my TrustWallet dashboard and see what I've got. With a little bit of refreshing, we can see the USDT tokens in our wallet. We have 91.3 USDT, which is an additional profit of about $11 made on this trade alone. That's quite a decent amount of profit given the fact that this was achieved within just a few minutes. And you can always repeat this process as long as the arbitrage exists, because we really don't know how long this arbitrage opportunity would last. Also remember that we recommended doing this a maximum of just 3 times in a single day. If you like contents like this, then consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you haven't already, give it a shot. We don't know how long this price difference opportunity would last. Don't forget to comment on your experience below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Now you've seen how a trading strategy can increase your capital several times over. That's what crypto arbitrage is all about. Taking advantage of price differences between different exchanges to make profits quickly and efficiently.